Hello viewers, welcome to watchcenter.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review Casio simple analog watch for men's in leather strap. It's in brown leather strap and the leather is in a pattern design. This is a close-up and the back side. And the backside of the dial is Casio. It's come with Japan movement, stainless steel back, and water resistant. It's a basic watch, simple analog watch, and the design is very simple but attractive. It has a numeric 1 to 12 marking on the dial, and the side of the dial, it's in golden. And it's in brown leather strap. This is also in golden. And it's a Casio watch. Model is MTP-V001GL-1B. This is a model number. So here it's a pretty attractive watch, simple watch, budget range watch. Casio original. And with this middle knob, basically you can set the time. Just pull it up and rotate counterclockwise to adjust the time. We will try this watch on the wrist. We will check out the weight and also the diameter of the dial, the round dial, and also the thickness of the dial. So let's try this watch on the wrist first. Viewers, this is how it looks on the wrist. As mentioned earlier, it's a simple watch, but it looks attractive. Black dial with the brown details and the golden on the side of the dial and the brown leather strap. So viewers will check the weight of this watch in gram. It's a lightweight watch. So let's check the exact weight in gram. Viewers, the weight of this watch is 42.8 gram. 42.8 gram. Is the total weight of the watch. So it's a pretty lightweight watch. So viewers, now we'll check the dial diameter in millimeter. First of all, let's check the diameter of the round dial. It's 38.3 mm. The round dial is 38.3 mm. And the area that falls on your wrist, that area is around 46.2 mm. And the thickness of the dial is 8.4 mm. 8.4 mm is the thickness of the dial. So viewers, you can order this watch online in Pakistan from our online watch store watchcenter.pk. Cash on delivery is available nationwide. Also, you can book your order via WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 0310-2233-484. And international customers can also order this watch. We have mentioned link in the description. Please click on the link to order this watch online. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel watchcenter.pk to get notification of the video reviews, deals and promotions. And if you like the video, please share the video. Thank you for watching.